Stop before you reset your PC or perform a clean install of Windows 10 or 11. You are forgetting the most important step. Without this, you might end up with no Wi-Fi, no sound, and a screen of full yellow exclamation marks and blue screen of death errors. Finding original drivers for manufacturer website can take hours, and if your internet is also not working, you are stuck in an offline loop. But what if you could save every single driver on your system in a just one click and one PowerShell command? So in this updated video, I'm going to show how to restore and backup and restore your driver using simple built-in Windows 11 tools. No third-party software, no viruses, just 100% stable fix. Let's get your system bulletproof. Stick around and let's drive the right into the device, and I will show you the exactly how. So most of the time you will see after installing Windows or even updating Windows, yellow exclamation marks here and driver is not working. You are facing the blue screen of death error. So let's talk about the key benefits from this video. This is a lifesaver for system administrator to troubleshoot and restore all the working drivers. Second one is create a fail-safe for your hardware. Like if you have the old drivers on your system and those are not compatible with latest drivers, those drivers can be restored easily. Next one is avoid the hassle of manual downloads. You might end up with break your PC with the non-compatible drivers. So that is good idea to restore all the drivers on your Windows. And also this video will ensure 100% compatibility after Windows 11 10 reset or OS format. So let's start the process and I will show you step by step with a live example. Now let's proceed with the backing up all the drivers in a working state. I have already done that, and just to show you, let's say this driver is not working on your Windows. And I will show you how to also fix it with the restoring the drivers. Open your PowerShell here as administrator. And this is the easy fix. This is the command guide. DISM online export driver destination D drive and drivers. We are going to restore our drivers into the D drive. The driver size could be 5 GB to 10 GB or 15 GB depending on your system drivers and install programs. So destination, you can choose your destination whatever you are. For example, I am going to restore my drivers into D drive. So you need to create the backup folder first of all there and name it driver backup. Simply name it driver backup 1 in my case, since I have already made the driver backups before breaking my PC here. As you can see, this is the wrong driver I installed just to show you how we can restore it. Now first of all, let's restore all the drivers, working driver on my computer. Once you made the system restore on your system, just give the D drive location and its driver name. You can also give it external drive. USB drive is recommended for that, and also you can choose the C drive your Windows and thereafter you can restore it. We have successfully opened the PowerShell as admin and I need to give it backup 1 and let's press enter now. And this is the process to restoring all the drivers. Export drivers on my system, working drivers. It's completed successfully. And now let's see the backup 1 here. This is backup 1 and this one is old. Now let's say somehow you break your PC or uninstall the non-working driver on your system. We can restore it. How? You need to right click on your exclamation mark drivers, update drivers, browse on my computer, include the subfolders and click on browse and go to the location where you downloaded your backup drivers and just select the primary driver. Automatically this process will install the correct driver for any particular driver on your system. You don't need to choose another driver, just choose the main folder driver backup. Click on OK, and now you will see this yellow explanation mark will be gone after installing the correct driver. It will automatically fetch the driver from backup driver, and it's, as you can see now, front of you. Now if you want to restore all the drivers on your system, what you can do is you can click on your system host name and right click, add drivers, choose and browse the same location, look for the main driver folder, click on OK and click on next, and it will be reinstall all the drivers here like this. Even you can set up these drivers on your new PC or on the same PC after formatting the Windows 11 or 10. Successfully install all the drivers, and now let's close this device manager, again open it, and all the drivers should be downloaded automatically. So these are all the driver backup. You can directly copy and paste the driver backup folder into your USB. It's recommended you to backup your all the drivers on a working state, so that if anything happens on with your PC in a future, you can restore your drivers. So this is the video, and I hope this is very important for all the users to back up all the drivers and restore them. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.